In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button link to your WordPress website. So you first need to make sure you're logged in to your WordPress dashboard, and then from the left-hand navigation, click on either Pages or Posts, depending on where you want to add this button. So I'm going to select Pages and then scroll down and select the page that you want to add this button to. Once you've found your page, simply click on the Edit button. So this is going to take us over to the WordPress editor. And in order to add a button to this page, all you simply need to do is select the position on the screen where you want to add this button to. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add a button here. All you would need to do is click on the three vertical dots like so. And then we can select either add before or add after, depending on where you want this button placed. So I'm going to add a button after this row of text. So I'm going to click on add after. And then what you need to do is click on this plus arrow to add a new block. Now, using the search box, type in the word button and then click on buttons like so. And as you can see, this will add a button to our WordPress editor. Another thing to note is you can also add a button by clicking the plus icon in the top left-hand side, and you could also drag a button onto your page like so. So once you've added your button, simply give your button a label. So I'm just going to title this Click Here. Then what you need to do to add a link to this button is click on the link icon like so. And then you can type in the URL of where you want this button to link to. If you're linking to another page on your website, then you can just search for the page using the search box, and it's going to bring up any pages on your website with this particular title. If you want to link it to another website, then you'll just need to paste the URL of the website in this box here. And once you've added a link to the button, you can also style this button as well. And you can do that by opening the right-hand navigation, clicking on the Styles button from the right. And from here, you can do a bunch of things like change the background of the button. You can also change the text color, as well as doing some other things like increasing the padding or the margins of the button. And then once you finish, just hit publish like so. And now if we come over to view our page, you can see we have this button down here. And if I click it, it's going to take us over to another page of the website. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.